Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to edit a product page created by the AI Page Forge Pro plugin. If you have not watched our video on AI Page Forge Pro, please watch it first, link is given above. I have already generated a product page design. Claude API is connected, so we start from the edit moment. Open AI Page Forge, go to Product Pages, generate a design or open a save preview. When the preview is ready, open the visual editor. This is your control room. On the left, you see every section of the page: Hero, Features, Proof, FAQ, Final Call to Action. You can drag sections to reorder them, duplicate a section, delete a section you do not need, or insert new content between sections. In the center, you get the Properties panel. On the right, you see the live preview. Here is the key idea. Click any element in the preview to edit it. Click a headline, change the text, adjust the color, change the font size, make it bolder. Click a paragraph. Rewrite the copy in your own voice. Keep the design. Improve the message. Click a button. Change the label. Update the link. Make the call to action clearer. Click an image. Replace it. Or generate a new AI image if Flux is connected. Click an icon. Change it from the icon library. Adjust the color to match your brand. Click an FAQ item. Edit the question, edit the answer, make it match what your customers really ask. You can also add new content: heading, paragraph, button, image, FAQ item, divider, or a full section. Select an element first to insert content right below it, or use Insert Between Sections in the sidebar. Need a bigger rewrite? Open Section Tools, type a clear instruction like make this section shorter and more benefit-focused, then regenerate just that section with Claude. That is powerful. You do not regenerate the whole page. You fix only what needs fixing, faster, cheaper, more control. When your edits look right, you have two save options: Save Design. This stores your edited version, or Save and Apply Live. This pushes the updated design to the live WooCommerce product page. One click, your customers see the improved page. Let's open the live product. The WooCommerce header is still intact: title, price, add to cart. And in product details, your edited AI sales page is live. That is the real workflow. AI builds the first version fast, you refine it visually, then you publish with confidence. No HTML, no starting over, no hiring a designer for every small change. If you sell with WooCommerce, this is how you keep quality high and speed higher. Get AI Page Forge Pro, generate your product page, open the visual editor, make it yours, and apply it live.